Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sit down here.
Yes,
Okay. Are you ready for facing your interview today?
yes, I'm ready.
May I know your name?
My name is Kanit Fatima Akhtar.
Okay. Could you tell me about your father's name?
Yes, my father's name is MD Baki Billah.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
May I know your mother's name?
Yes, my mother's name is Juma Khatun.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 2.
What is your school name?
My school name is Real Islamic School and College.
Okay. Could you tell me something about your village?
Yes, our village. My village name is Raipur. It is a big village. My village is a ideal village. There are a high school, a college, a primary school, a madrasa, a dispensary in our village. I love my village very much.
Thank you very much. And actually, may I ask you some translation?
Yes,
ওকে, নজরুল একজন বড় কবি।
Nazrul is a great poet.
আমরা সংবাদপত্র পড়ি।
We read newspaper.
ধনীরা সবসময় সুখী নয়।
The riches are not always happy.
আমরা সময় নষ্ট করি না।
We don't waste time.
আমাদের কখনো মিথ্যা বলা উচিত নয়।
We should not tell a lie.
আমার একটি কলম প্রয়োজন।
I need a pen.
আমাদের পিতামাতাকে সম্মান করা উচিত।
We should respect our parents.
আমি তোমাকে সাহায্য করব।
I will help you.
তুমি কি একজন ছাত্র?
Are you student?
আমি কি ভিতরে আসতে পারি?
May I come in?
তোমার বয়স কত?
How old are you?
সূর্য পূর্ব দিকে ওঠে।
The sun rises in the east.
আমার একটি বই প্রয়োজন।
Oh, I need a book.
সূর্য পশ্চিম দিকে অস্ত যায়।
Sun sets in the west.
তুমি কোথায় বাস করো?
Where do you live?
শিক্ষক আমাদের ইংরেজি শেখান।
Teachers teach us English.
বড়দের সম্মান করো।
Respect the elders.
তোমার স্বাস্থ্যের প্রতি যত্ন নাও।
Take care of your health.
রোদে দৌড়াদৌড়ি করো না।
Don't run in the sun.
সময় অপচয় করো না।
Don't waste time.
আমাকে অঙ্কটি করতে দাও।
Let me do the sum.
আল্লাহ তোমার মঙ্গল করুন।
May Allah bless you.
Actually, when do you get up?
I get up in the morning.
After getting up, what do you do?
I brush my teeth, wash my face,
Sure.
make ablution, say my morning prayer.
Okay. And do you recite the Holy Quran in the morning?
Yes,
How long time do you recite the Holy Quran?
minimum 1 hour.
Acha, what is the name of our religion?
The name of our religion of Islam
Is Islam.
is Islam.
What do you take usually in the morning?
I take rice and vegetable in morning.
How many plates of rice do you take in the morning?
I take 1 plate.
Okay, thank you very much. Actually, if I talk to you long time, then maybe you can be able to talk with me in English. Yes or not?
Yes,
Very fantastic. Actually, next year we will arrange our school as a English version. Do you like to take admission in English version school?
yes.
Thank you very much. MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah, it is very fantastic performance, and maybe you can be able to perform very well in your next time. Okay.
Yes.